Here at Coastal Steward Long Island, we're doing our part to put oysters back in the waters. Why? Simply put, because they are vital to the ecosystem. Oysters have been around for hundreds of years, and here on Long Island, we have what's known as the Eastern oyster. The Eastern oyster is particularly special because unlike some other species, it can withstand harsher conditions like turbidity and salinity. They filter the waters up to 50 gallons a day. On average, that's a gallon an hour, and more than the average bathtub holds. And because they grow on each other's shells, they create their own reefs, which protects the coastlines from storm damage. Every oyster we put in the harbor makes the water cleaner and healthier. Come see for yourself. Coastal Steward, Long Island.